Warriors, behold as we embark on a journey back in time to unlock the ancient secrets of the Greek soldier physique. Picture the heroes of old, their bodies sculpted by the rigors of battle, their muscles hardened by the weight of their shields and spears. This is not a fleeting fantasy, it's a vision you can attain, a transformation you can undergo. This odyssey begins with a commitment to discipline, to perseverance, to self. It's a commitment that transcends the confines of time, linking you with the ancient warriors of Greece. Their legacy is not just in their triumphs, but also in their physique, a testament to their strength and tenacity. We'll delve into the steps to chisel away the excess, to sculpt the muscle, to recover and rebuild. This is not a mere workout routine, it's a lifestyle, a warrior's way. Prepare to embark on an odyssey of transformation, where the wisdom of the ages meets the cutting edge of modern science. Step 1 in our journey to warrior greatness involves reducing your body fat percentage to 10 to 12%. This isn't about vanity, it's about efficiency. A Greek soldier, a veritable sculpture of strength and agility, was lean and mean. To achieve this, we need to focus on carving away the excess fat that obscures our inner warrior. Now you might be wondering, how do we measure body fat? A handy tool here is an electro-bioimpedance scale or handheld device. These devices pass a tiny electrical current through your body and calculate your body fat percentage based on the resistance encountered. It's a simple yet effective way to keep track of your progress. Remember, this isn't about becoming skinny, it's about becoming efficient, strong and powerful. With dedication and precision, you can chisel away the excess and reveal the warrior within. Step 2 in this odyssey requires us to sculpt the muscle with the right exercises. To achieve the Greek soldier aesthetic, we must target all the major muscle groups in our workouts. Starting with the back, we perform horizontal pulls, vertical pulls, and hip hinges. Exercises like pull-ups, lat pull-downs, barbell deadlifts, and dumbbell rows are your go-to choices. Then we train our shoulders, focusing on the anterior, lateral, and posterior deltoids. Dumbbell front raises, barbell overhead presses, and face pulls will help you achieve that broad, warrior-like shoulder. Next, we turn our attention to the chest. We concentrate on the upper, mid, and lower chest through exercises like dumbbell incline bench press, barbell bench press, and cable fly crossovers. For the arms, we need to train both the biceps and triceps. For biceps, we focus on both the short inner and long outer bicep heads, with exercises like wide grip barbell curls, concentration curls, and drag curls. For triceps, we train all 3 heads of the muscle with exercises such as triceps, rope pushdowns, tricep dips, and close grip barbell bench press. We cannot ignore our lower body. For legs, we train the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Exercises like Bulgarian split squats, barbell squats, glute ham raises, and machine leg press are perfect. Finally, we train our calves, working both calf muscles with exercises like machine standing calf raises and seated calf raises. Remember, each of these exercises is a chisel, and with them, you're carving out your own masterpiece. Each rep, each set, is a stroke of the hammer, chipping away at the marble, revealing the Greek soldier that lies within. With these exercises, you are sculpting your body into a living monument of strength and beauty, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the ancient warriors. Step 3 in our journey highlights the importance of taking time to recover. In the pursuit of embodying the formidable Greek soldier, it's crucial to remember that rest is not the enemy of progress, but rather its ally. When you push your body to its limits, you're breaking down muscle fibers. It's during your rest periods that these fibers rebuild stronger and more resilient, sculpting your physique. A proper diet is a cornerstone of recovery. Feeding your body with nutrient-rich foods provides the building blocks for muscle growth. Complementing your diet, consider light exercise on your rest days. Activities like yoga or leisurely walks can promote blood flow and accelerate muscle repair. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. During this time, your body works diligently, repairing and rebuilding your muscles. Supplements like protein powder and creatine can also aid in muscle growth and recovery. By honoring your body's need for rest and recovery, you are nurturing your transformation into a Greek soldier. The journey doesn't end here. Mastering your diet is key to achieving the Greek soldier physique. Like a skilled sculptor, you've chiseled away the fat, sculpted your muscles, and learned the art of restful recovery. But the tools of transformation don't end with the gym. The kitchen is your next battlefield, where the weapons of choice are proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. You see, the ancient warriors didn't just train hard, they feasted wisely. They understood that food is fuel, and the right fuel can turn the body into a formidable fortress of strength and endurance. So as you stride forward on this path, remember that every meal is a chance to nourish your warrior within. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll detail the perfect dietary plan. Train hard, stay disciplined, and let the echoes of ancient warriors guide your journey. Your odyssey to greatness continues, warrior.